Hello everyone, so I'm going to be showing you two simple ways of how to cut out any background in an image using Photoshop. Now let's get straight into it. Now mind you, this tutorial is for beginners, so I'm going to be going at a nice easy pace for you guys that you can follow, right? So the first thing you want to do is of course open Photoshop. Now once you first open Photoshop, this is what your screen will look like. It will look like the home screen. Alright, now I'm going to import my picture from Envato Elements. Shout out them. Now once you get your image in Photoshop, this is what it's going to look like. Now the very first tool I want to show you guys is the object selection tool. Watch how simple this is. Now the way to activate the object selection tool is the command Shift plus W, right? Shift plus W. Now you're going to cycle through other selections, but you want to keep cycling and keep pressing Shift plus W until you get to the square in this mouse-like button. Now watch how simple this is, guys. So the way I select an object is I click anywhere where I want to start, because I want to enclose my subject into a rectangle. Watch this. So I'm going to click at my point right here, and I'm going to drag it so that it encloses the whole lamp. Now once I do that, you're going to see that Photoshop makes a selection around the lamp. Now how do you actually mask this out? How do you actually cut it from the background? Watch this. The way you do that, you come to the mask button down here, and you simply click it. Boom, just like that. Now you're able to do many things, like for example, add a solid color. Watch this. Now I'm gonna drag my color under the lamp, and look at that. I can even put some text in here, like so. Now how easy was that? And I can save this, send it to a friend, send it to a family member, whatever I want to do with it. Now let's go to the next tool. So for my second image, I'm actually going to cut an image of a young woman in the park running, and I'm going to cut her off in the background. Now watch this. How do you select the quick selection tool? Shift plus W, right? Now you're going to keep cycling through until you get to the dotted lines and the paintbrush. Now once you have that, all you have to do is go to your subject. Now you might have to increase your brush size, right? Your selection size. Now the way you do that is the left or right bracket. Left to make it smaller, right to make it bigger. Now I'm going to press the right bracket, and as you see, my selection tool is getting bigger. Now I might not need it that large, but watch this. All you have to do is simply drag over your subject, and Photoshop is going to automatically select your subject for you. Now just watch as I do this. Now when you might go over an area that you didn't mean to go over, this is where you can subtract it. So you're going to hold the Alt key, and you're going to drag, and that's going to minus the selection, like so. Now I'm going to decrease my size and select the subject again. As we get this hair, and I minus the background that I don't want. And pretty much you're making a border around your subject. Now we're almost there. Of course, you can definitely take your time and be patient with the selection, but I'm being mindful of your guys' time. Now, voila. It looks like I have a selection. I simply just dragged over the subject and Photoshop did the work for me. Now, how do I mask it? Same thing. You go down here, you left click, and it masks it for you. Now, let's say you wanted to do the opposite for some reason. So I'm actually going to undo what I just did, which is Control Z. And I'm going to hold Alt, and then I'm going to click the mask button. Watch this. So it did the opposite of what I wanted it to do. But in reality, I want it to go like this. I hit Control Z. Now I just regularly left click the mask. Boom, just like that. Now let me add a solid background. Drag it under my subject. I can move my subject around by pressing the shortcut V and clicking and dragging on the subject. Now I'm actually just going to type something. Run for fun. And that is it. This is how you cut out any background from an image using Photoshop in the two most simplest ways. That is the object selection tool. You can also access the tools if you right click it right here. Object selection tool and quick selection tool. Two most easiest ways to cut out anything from Photoshop. Now look, I hope you guys definitely got some value and learned something new, and definitely try this out because application is key. So if you got some value, definitely leave a like and or subscribe, as this will help me out a lot. I hope you guys have a great, amazing day and stay creative.